Alright, good afternoon everybody. Look, I got another video for y'all today, man. I hope everybody's day going good. It's pretty nice, it's beautiful outside right now. It's 90 degrees in Rochester, New York. So I'm enjoying the weather. Can't complain, man. I don't like those super hot days where I feel like my skin boiling, but it's real nice outside, so I hope everybody else enjoying their day. But what I got for y'all today is 2017 Nissan Maxima. Now, the reason I picked this was because I really don't pay too much attention to Nissan because I don't know, it's just something about Nissan. Matter of fact, there's nothing about Nissan. It's just they don't really catch my attention minus the GTR. Of course, the GTR, everybody know about the GTR. Other than that, I don't really pay too much mind to it. So when I seen a Maxima, I'm like, you know what? I should take this out and look at it because, to be honest with y'all, I actually like the body. I love the body lines. Like this line right here, I love this right here. This body line that swoops down low and then comes back up high towards the back. I think it's a nice looking car. And if anybody knows Nissan has the signature, that ambient light right here during the night, and it just makes the car look good. Not too big of a fan of the grill. I like the physical grill part, but I don't like this big like flat bottom V they got going on. But I do like the big Nissan logo. I like every car that makes their brand big in the front, just so you know what it is. But overall, I think this is a pretty good looking sedan. Not too many other cars look like this either. So, but let's start with these wheels. I think these wheels are nice. I always like the machine finish with the black. Any type of wheels with the black trim in the inside or machine finish with the black inserts is nice. I love it. Those are, I believe, let me see, I can't really, those are 18s. They kind of look like, thought they were 20s, but I may just be off because I'm used to my 20s. But those are 18s. They look pretty good on there. One thing I don't like, I hate the chrome door handles, man. I hate chrome. I hate chrome in general. So people who be having those chrome pieces right here, I can't stand it. I feel like it makes the car look terrible. But we got the rims, and then this comes with the LED turn signals on the mirror, and then you have the entry lock, so you can just push that. Does it have the thing where you just put your hands in there? Nope. Okay, it don't. But let me see. Nope, it don't. Okay, so you just got to push the button every time. But let's get to the front. Now I think the front looks aggressive just because it has that really big grill portion right here. And if you notice, this little same V is this same V right here they got going on all the way around. Again, I'm not a fan of the chrome. I would prefer these to be black. I would if I would buy one, I would definitely black all of these out. All these chrome pieces, I would black this out right here, and I would just black it all out. I do like the way these LEDs look on the bottom. I've never seen how they look during nighttime, but I would like to see those. I think they're pretty cool. Again, like I stated before, Nissan is known for that little ambient lighting right here during the day. I think they're daytime running lights as well. I like this, man. It's a nice looking car. Like, look at the hood. Look at the body lines on the hood. Like, I love it. They did pretty good with the body lines. They look, again, same. It got the LED turn signals on the mirrors again. See, I like how they blacked out the mirror. They messed up on the door handles. Now, if this was chrome, I would definitely not like it, but I would black those out too. Black those out, and this trim piece right here, all blacked out. But other than that, I like it. And then we get to the back. The back looks good. I like the big tips they got on the back. They look pretty good. This car actually sounds pretty good for a V6 too, so I thought it sounded pretty good. So this is the Maxima SV. I don't know the trim levels. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know the trim levels of this car. I know there's a SR, and I think that's it. That's the only other one I know about. But let's see. Let me pop the trunk. This is the key fob. Same thing as a GTR key fob. If you guys ever seen a GTR key fob, it just says GTR on it. So remote start, lock, unlock, and then you hold to pop the trunk. So I'll show y'all the trunk room real quick. Pretty spacious back there. Just got the it's saying maximum on the mats. I think there's a pretty good amount of room in here, so that's pretty nice. You know, got to put all your groceries and stuff in. Again, with the back part, I'm doing this all black right here. So I want all these chrome pieces black. This black too, just black it all out. I think it would make it look good. And then this one has the sensor package too, so the adaptive driving package it has as well. First thing I noticed as soon as I got in was this trim piece right here. Now, in most cars, this trim piece is like plastic, which this is plastic too, but the way they smoothed it out, it doesn't look or feel like plastic. It's almost like a fiberglass type feel. And then it has the soft leathers. I think the leather in this car is nice. It's nice premium leather. It's really soft, it's stretchy, and it's, I don't know, all around, it's just good leather. And then you got a cup holder, some storage here. And then that trim piece goes all the way around the front dash. So you got that, and then it goes all the way around to the other door. Now that I will like. I don't like when some companies do that fake carbon fiber where it's just like gray and then dashes of like black squares. I hate that. But this looks pretty good. Now y'all know I love this. If y'all watch any of my car reviews, the automatic up and down on the driver and passenger side, like this is a must. Any new car, any new car, man. Come on, companies. It's 2018, man. Add the matter of fact, just add the automatic up and down to all four windows, just to make it easier on us. And then you got this nice Maximum side sill right here on the door, on the bottom. Let's get in. I like it. Look at the steering wheel. Now, this is my favorite part. It's a flat bottom steering wheel. Now, I will give it up to Nissan because I don't know any other base level car or non-performance car you can get with a flat bottom. Because usually anybody in the performance world, you want that flat bottom on your performance car. And the fact that this is a family sedan and it has a flat bottom, I thought that was pretty cool. Like I said, I think that's cool that they threw this in here because that gives it that sporty feel. And I will say this car moves real quick. So before I get fully into the inside, let me show y'all what we working with underneath the hood. So we got a little tab. Where'd that tab go? Where you at, baby? Oh, come on. I'm like Mr. Organic right now. I can't find a hole. Oh, there we go. Boom. All right, so it is a V6 underneath the hood and it's pushing 300 horsepower, man. So I didn't know this car had that much power, and like I said, it's quick. It's front wheel drive and it pulls pretty good. So, and it feels like, to be a Nissan, it feels like the power is always there. So no matter when you step on it, I feel like the power is immediate. So I like that. Like this car, no, to be completely honest, this car 100% surprised me. I was not ready for this when I took this car out. So again, if you watch my last video, I'm doing something new for those people who drive cars and don't know anything about what's going on underneath the hood. This is the battery. This is the air intake. This is obviously the motor. Windshield washer fluid. And I don't see where the coolant goes, but I believe it's, oh, coolant right here. This is the coolant right here. And now you got power steering fluid that goes in there. Where's the oil? Okay, so oil goes in there, and then this is how you check your oil levels right there. So quick and simple explanation for those who just don't know what's going on underneath the hood or how our car works, for that matter. But we're gonna jump back in real quick, do a quick detail on the inside. So now also what I do like about this, the push start button is right here instead of up here by the steering wheel. I think this is more convenient, just so you're not reaching that far. This is literally, you know, fingertip reach. So if you usually land your arm here, you can literally just a little bit of a reach and you can reach it. So it's brake and a button. And I like that. I think I would prefer in my car that the push button right here instead of next to the steering wheel. So that's one plus that I like about the car. Turn this air down so, because it is hot. But matter of fact, just open the door. This is the cluster we got going on now. This I'm not too big on. This is outdated in my opinion. It is a little digital screen in there, but again, with the analogs, the full analog display right here, I don't like it. It's 2018. Every car should just be getting rid of analog. Analog's just, I feel like analog's just so outdated. Just get rid of it. On to the screen. I do like the screen setup. This whole cluster right here, I do like. I just like how everything's organized and set up. It's not a million buttons, but there's some few buttons going on. So everything right here is pretty much for your touchscreen. So you got your menu, you got your map. So menu, you got your map button, you got your audio button. And then I don't know what that, oh, this, okay, so this changes the screen from light to dark depending on if it's daytime or if it's night. You want to see it a little better. You got your track button, you got your volume button, and then camera button. Don't know what the camera button does yet, but it just looked like for an option to turn on and off. There you go. And then you got your heating controls. Like this right here, I love. This is nice, it's neat, it's easy for anybody who just jumps in here and just bought the car and just want to know, don't know where everything going on. I like it. It's simple, it's right there for you. And again, it's not far either. Like, again, if you're resting your arm right there, it's just a little bit of a reach. Everything's right there in your reach, so I like that. This car is set up pretty good, and you got your soft leathers up here on the dashboard. I love it. Like, I honestly like this car. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like it. Now, if you have a garage set up with the, you can set up all the garage buttons. So you got 1, 2, and 3, and you can just open your garage from inside the car. I don't know what these 2 buttons are for, but that's pretty much it for the. You got a storage room in there. You got two USBs and an aux port right there, so you can plug up your phone, all that good stuff. 2 cup holders here, and these have heated and these have, is it heated and cooled? Nope, just heated seats, low and high on both of them. And then right here you got your normal and your sport mode. Oh yeah, don't let me, I'm sorry, I forgot. So this right here is how you can control some of the features on the touchscreen. You can zoom in, zoom out, you can move up and down, move to different areas. And I like this map too, it looks pretty good. Then home button, map, voice, you can control it with your voice. The shifter, same thing with the shifter, is right in arm's reach. So all you gotta do, you're just right here, man. So everything right there, park, reverse, neutral, drive. I like it. So again, you got some storage room here. The one thing I'm not too big of with the front cluster is this part right here. I think they should have just left it like flat. But again, even with this, it's leather wrapped. It's really soft. The seat itself is nice too. So, you know, it looks like it's heated. It has, you see all the holes in it for the ventilation and stuff, and then the leather around it. I like this, man. This car is really nice. I would definitely give Nissan a try if they did like something with a little bit more power. We're gonna head back to Marina right now. So I think I underestimated Nissan a little bit too much, because I thought this car was gonna be boring. It doesn't have any premium audio, or at least I didn't try to listen to see how it sounded in here, but I can see this being a good daily driver all day though. It's smooth around the corners. Yeah. Shout out to anybody who own a Maxima. Now I understand. But I do hear a lot of people talking bad about the transmission or something like that. Cause everybody that does own a Nissan, or doesn't own it, most people that don't even own a Nissan, they say the transmission isn't the greatest. So, which I don't know. Or is it the CVT or a CVT? Oh, the CVT transmission. That's what it is. Everybody be complaining about it. I don't understand what. I don't get it. Maybe because I've never owned one. But it seems pretty quick and fluid to me. The only part I will say about it is, I don't know, honestly, it don't feel, I don't know what is it, that continuous whatever? I don't know, to me it feels fine. Like, even when you drop it in manual and switch the gears, let me see, I'm gonna drop it in manual. They seem good to me, man. I don't know why people be complaining about it, but you know, people gotta have something to complain about regardless, so that's life. You could be a millionaire and still have stuff to complain about. So let me see. Let me do it in manual mode. Oh, okay. I see what. But you know, I don't know, man. I think I see what people be talking about because it feels like the car feels like it actually never shifts. That's probably what it is. It just like, it's not that gear shift and then it pops. It's like an I don't know how to explain it, but I think I know what people are talking about. But it just, I don't know, it still, as far as the physical ride, it still feels fine to me. That's it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, share it if possible. If y'all like this video, just let me know, comment below. I actually like this, man. Shout out to Nissan. This is an alright looking car, and it's really smooth. They threw some good wheels on it, and other than that, the interior on it is nice. I just love how everything's in just like like a really short arm's reach. I think that's pretty good. But that's the end of this video, man. We out, man. Peace.